I am making some Rasta pasta. So I put the shrimp, saute the shrimp. Now I take the shrimp out of the pot and put some milk, half and half milk. Now I put my noodles to boil into some hot boiling water. Then I get my green bend up season, which is my onion, my scallion, my cilantro, all those green seasoning, and then I put in my mixed vegetable. And by going on with the mixed vegetable, it was so good. And then I start to put in all my spices, which is my pepper, my garlic, my lemon pepper, my Maggi all seasonal, yes, of course. My garlic powder, yes. My grated garlic, of course. And also my Larry's, right? Yes. Then I stir it to make everything be consistent. So I let it there. And I put it, after it starts to boil, I try to put in some Parmesan cheese. Grated Parmesan cheese. Yes. That's take it that nice thick flavor. That maybe I need some little more. It does enough inside. Yeah. I'm gonna end up do my diced tomatoes because I put these in almost at the last because I don't want it to overcook. So those are the diced tomatoes. Then I put in my spinach. Yes. You know, girls have to have some greens, you know, put some nice spinach in. Oh, looking beautiful. Then you go back and put your shrimp in, and then now you stir it. Looking real good, right, people? Yes, looking real good. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Well done. Or maybe I need a little more thickening, so the cheese let it be a little thicker. That's the finished product, people. That's the finished product. Beautiful.